South Bengaluru is one of the most preferred residential hotspots in Bengaluru due to the abundant greenery and pleasant atmosphere. Well connected to major parts of the city, South Bengaluru promises high growth for real estate investment. The Nice Road corridor provides a fast and hassle-free connectivity to various parts of Bengaluru, including Electronic City, the IT hub. Bengaluru was once a garden city, and over the last 30 to 40 years, Bengaluru has lost 90% of its green cover due to the rapid urbanization. Paradise on Earth is located in Gangasandra, which is surrounded by reserve forest of 2,190 acres. Gangasandra will remain a green paradise for thousands of years to come. It is also one of the very few locations around Bengaluru which is blessed with water source at a depth of just 600 feet. Gangasandra is one among the last 3 green pockets that are left around Bengaluru. Paradise on Earth, spread across 24 acres, has 2.5 acres of parks and 1,500 plus trees planted across the project. It is Bengaluru's first sustainable villa community. Paradise on Earth is well connected through a 40-feet road which is currently being expanded into a 80-feet road. Nice Road is just about 10 to 12 minutes drive. You can reach 2 metro lines, one at Challagatta on Mysore Road in 10 minutes and the other at Silk Institute on Kanakapura Road in about 15 minutes. Reputed schools like VGS International Schools, NPS School, Orchid International School, Valley School, Christ University, IRA Academy, etc. are operating in this neighborhood. Multi-speciality healthcare facilities such as BMS Hospital, Rajarajeshwari Hospital, BGS Green Eagle Hospital are in close vicinity. The Forum Mall on Kanakapura Road and Gopalan Mall at Rajarajeshwari Nagar are within 20 minutes drive from Paradise on Earth. Global Village Tech Park houses IT majors like Accenture, Capgemini, Mindtree, etc. and is about 20 minutes drive from the project. The 860 acres Bidadi industrial area has multinational companies like Toyota, Coca-Cola, Bosch, etc. and can be accessed in about 20 minutes drive. Bengaluru's largest IT hub, Electronic City, is about 40 minutes drive via Nice Road. Upgrade to a sustainable lifestyle in the lap of nature.